Evelyn, his 77-year-old sister, Grandpa
Buzzy.
Her grandfather.
Okay.
Set descriptions.
Good. Descriptions.
Yes. C1. The living room of the house. The furniture includes worn-out armchairs with stuffing sticks
sticking
out in places.
Okay, the stuffing, the armchair, the stuffing inside actually sticking out. Okay. Stuffing sticking out. No, yeah, stuffing stick out. You see?
Go to school. So,
you see? Why cannot it's so slow? Yeah, you see this armchair with a stuffing. Stuffing is supposed to stay inside, right? And it stick out.
Okay.
You see stuffing stick out. Okay, like here. Okay, it's a very old chair. Okay. The furniture includes worn-out armchairs with stuffing sticking out in places.
The ceiling has cracks in it, and dusty paintings of people and clothing from the
1800s
hanging on the wall.
Okay, some painting.
C2. The kitchen of the same house.
Props.
Okay.
Props is the things on the stage. Okay, usually movable.
Props for C2. The box of popcorn, a bag of sugar, a jar of cinnamon.
Good.
A few bowls on the counter.
Good.
And the button.
No.
Bathroom.
No. Broom. How do you sweep the floor? Okay, use broom. I use a broom. Okay, use a broom. What's that?
Haunt.
Okay.
A ghost to visit or live in a place. Haunt.
Okay, let's do this. Broom. Okay. That's a broom. Okay. And a few bowls on the counter and
broom. A broom. Clean.
Lean
against the wall.
Okay, it's lean against the wall. Okay.
C1. Setting the living room. Justin and even.
No, let's read it one more time.
Pretty straightforward. Once you know, you do want to stress on the first syllable Evelyn. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me. First syllable. Evelyn. And now you know. Did you get?
You get this?
Evelyn. Evelyn. Okay. It's a girl. Evelyn. Okay. In the living room, just and
Avenue are sitting on the armchairs are
howling. Okay. I think he is a howling wind. Okay.
You have
Howling wind. Oh, so now. No, I don't want to listen to it. Did you hear that?
yes.
That's a howling wind.
Halloween.
Howling.
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 Howling. Howling.
Producing a low sound made by strong wind.
Okay.
A howling storm.
Okay. Howling.
Howling.
Howling. Howling.
Howling.
Howling.
Howling.
Okay, can spell.
Howling. Howling.
Okay, howling sound. Okay. Howling. Howling.
Howling wind can be heard from outside. Suddenly, a loud crack and
Creak.
and a thump.
Thumb. Okay. Thumb. Okay, make that sound. Thumb.
Thump.
Okay, what's that?
Howling.
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 Howling. Producing or make
Okay.
producing the low sound made by strong wind.
Okay.
A howling storm.
Okay.
Thump.
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 Thump. Thump.
Thump.
Thump.
Okay, spell.
THUMP. Thump.
Okay.
To hit or beat something or someone to and make a loud deep sound.
Okay. Thump.
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 Okay.
Someone was thumping loudly on the door.
Yeah.
Thump.
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 Okay. Thump. Okay. Loud creak. Okay, you see the door opens, you hear that sound, old door. Okay.
And
then
thumping.
Thump.
Thump. I had Justin looking around. Did you hear that? I think it's coming from out inside the house.
Pa.
Person and house.
Okay, enter the stage. Okay.
Yeah.
Evening. Okay. Evening. I think it's. I forgot about it.
The following pronunciation is brought to you by pronouncenames.
Evelyn,
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 Do we have the correct pronunciation?
Evelyn. Okay, Evelyn, and
Evelyn, Grandpa,
Buzzy.
this house isn't haunted. It is it.
Okay, so there's no ghost in this house.
Grandpa
Buzzy,
Buzzy's
stroking.
stroking his chin.
Okay, there's a chin. Yeah, stroking. Stroking his chin. Okay. Stroke. Why I put a seal? Stroke his chin. You touch his chin like that. Stroke. What's that?
Thump,
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 thump.
thump. Someone was thumping loudly on the door.
Okay. Yes.
stroke,
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 stroke. Rub gently in one direction.
Okay.
stroke,
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 stroke.
Okay. Stroke his. Exactly. Yeah, I think that's stroke. Just rub gently on his chin. Okay. So sometimes when people, some people when they're thinking, they just stroke the chin. Okay, they stroke their chins.
Stroking his chin. I suppose. Suppose.
Yeah, I think. Okay, maybe we can add this one. Suppose. Okay, suppose.
Yeah.
What's that?
Stroke.
stroke,
Stroke.
stroke,
Stroke.
stroke,
Stroke. Rub gently in one direction.
Okay.
Suppose,
Suppose.
suppose,
Suppose.
suppose.
To think of something as happening or being
Truth.
and
In order to.
imagine what might happen.
Okay. Okay, here this.
Suppose, suppose, suppose.
Supposing a fire broke out, how would we
Escape. Okay. Suppose a fire. Let's imagine a fire broke out. How would we escape? Okay.
Suppose,
They think of something happening. Okay.
suppose, suppose.
Can I spell it?
Suppose. Suppose.
Okay. Okay, I suppose. Maybe we can do it next time. Okay.